So today at the depot we've got Dean from STIHL here. He's going through the All Pro new battery system. We've got high-end users, so Oceanhausen and other councils here for the day, just showing us what the new battery is all about. With the new All Pro models, there's 4 in the professional range: the AP 100, AP All Pro 200, AP All Pro 300, AP All Pro 300 PC. With the new All Pro system also comes a new battery charging system, the AL 1802. This can charge a battery to 80% within 9 minutes. They've extended the cycles of charging to 3000. This is double what they had with the previous AP system. It's got the best power to waste ratio of all the battery systems around. Also, it's got a tabless charging system, which then gives it more power.
So it's important to keep in contact with our existing customers and give them updates on where the battery technology is and with the new products, and how they can use that in conjunction with the machines they've already got and the batteries they've already got.